All right, we're here about an hour and 20 minutes away from market open. Some pre-market trading here since I'm in Asia. It's evening time here, so for me it's easy to trade pre-market. That's why I don't generally trade after the first 2 hours of the New York Open or Chicago Open, whatever you want to call the regular trading time back in the States. But so we're here looking at a trade. Now notice I have this lower indicator here. Okay, this is my Panda MACD. I don't like to trade with indicators anymore because we don't really need it, but you can trade with it. And I've had some people ask me, oh, is this Element ES system only for the 7-minute chart? And it's not. I just like the 7-minute time frame. I also like the 5-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame I've been trading. 5 minutes is fine also. I mean, it's the same system. It can work on any time frame. The higher time frame you go, you're going to have a little different type of trading in terms of time in the trade and targets. Targets aren't really going to change. It's just a different pace of the trade. Okay, 5-minute is fine. 7-minute is fine. 10-minute is a little bit too long. 3 minutes I find a little bit too short. So I do like 5 minutes. So just to answer the question, no, it doesn't have to be only 7 minutes. Okay, 5-minute is fine as well. So that's to answer that question. So indicators, this lower indicators, okay, you can use a stochastic or MACD. This is my famous Panda MACD, and the indicators are not telling you when to trade. That's the main thing. Okay, it's just like a confirmation or a permission to be in a trade, either long or short. After you trade a while, you don't really need it. However, you can consider the lower indicator kind of like as training wheels. Okay, they can help you, but you can't rely on them. Okay, you can leave a lower indicator on just for that confirmation of when to be sure when not to take a trade. As an example here, I had a trade here in the pre-market here to go long. Okay, I didn't have this indicator up, but let me just tell you what it can do. Okay, I like to trade 50% levels. So here's an example here. So basically, if you're trying to trade 50% levels just arbitrarily and just to get long, well, take a look at the lower indicator, the MACD here, and it's clearly red at this point. So this can be a way to be more conservative. So in this particular trade, I didn't have this indicator up, so I went long here, and I had to average in, and I was able to come out ahead in the end with a point on 2 contracts here, 4 ticks total. So that's just a way to be a little bit more safe. So I'm going to be having this lower indicator up today for my trading. Okay, so that answers the question. So it's just a help. It's never a signal. Okay, so on this trade here, this trade really has nothing to do with this 50% level, but I'm just showing you back here on this one, on this prior trade. So let's see, we're trying to get 2 points on this. See how it goes. I'm already up a point today, so if I go with 2 points in this one, that'll be 3 points in the day before the open. So let's just see what it does. Kind of slow trading, of course. I just want to take a point on this. How about that? Let's just take a point. So you can kind of see this pattern here. They're just keeping it within 3-tick range here. So this is a period of consolidation, and the expectation is it's going to continue upward. That's what we are trading with, the immediate trend here. So one contract trading is the most difficult because you're only all in, all out. So that's why when you start adding contracts, you can hit your first target, get yourself risk-free,
Profit target filled.
and let the trade ride. So, but pre-market, I like to really just take it easy and focus on 1-point trades. So 2 trades today, up 2 points. The market doesn't open for another hour and 25 minutes or so. Right. Kind of big candle down there, isn't it? Let's see if we can get filled up here. Come on, let me get filled. Let's see what they can do here.
Order filled.
Okay.
Stopped out.
Okay. All right. So that was that trade. Caught it on that good level of support there. Okay. I took 75. Took a point and a half. Point. I took 5 ticks on that. Okay. So too bad. See if we can get another trade in here and call it a day. Be right back. Let's try to get in. Let's try to get in up here, kind of where I exited my last trade, or where I entered in my last trade.
Order pending.
This is good. Generally don't like to get short less than 38%. Don't need to be too aggressive like that. Otherwise it's just too aggressive.
Order filled.
See if you can drop down, kind of lock in something here. Try to lock in a point if it keeps dropping. Let's do that. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna take a point on this. Come on.
Profit target filled.
There we go. Alright. Just wanted to get out. I wish it would have just dropped down, but it didn't, so that's how we take it. I'm gonna be gone tomorrow, Wednesday. Should be back on Thursday and Friday. So this week so far up to date, two points and a tick. 2 points? No, 4. Yeah, 4 points and a tick there. Yesterday I did some trading, and it was pretty much today was just a rebalancing act. But yesterday was my first losing day in quite a while. Was down. Well, I was up a point. Was thinking about calling it a day here, and then I just started to take some trades. I didn't really feel like doing it. My psychology yesterday was off, so I was down 200 yesterday. So today made that back, and I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, so that's it for today. Today was 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So 4 points today. So that's a good day for one contract trading. What else do you need? You know. So, guys, I'm just showing you it can't be done on small accounts. 1 contract, 2 contract, 3 contracts are small trading size. You know, you're not a big player in the S&P 500 in the E-minis until you're trading 25 contracts. 25 contracts is on the lower end of the big boys. You know, so if you can make $100 to $200 a day on 1 contract, then you keep it consistent throughout time, you'll make more on larger size. But you can't change what you're doing. So anyway, you guys will be watching me as I post these videos every day or every week or whatever. So I'm just saying that you can trade however size you want, but make it consistent. So what I'm doing, I'm going to be doing the same thing pretty much as I add contracts. So if you try to go for targets, and if you're too mechanical, it's not going to work. Okay. If you see me on some of my trades, and there's an emotional aspect to trading, and you have to respect that. So I'm just saying, enjoy the day.
Profit target filled.